I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an omelet gym. Start by cracking 3 large eggs into a bowl. Add 1/4 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Whisk everything together until the yolks and whites are fully combined and slightly frothy. This ensures a light and fluffy omelet. Next, prepare your fillings. Chop your favorite vegetables and have your lean protein ready to go. Now let's cook. Heat a non-stick pan about 8 inches in diameter over medium-low heat. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil or a quick spray of cooking spray. Pour your egg mixture into the pan. Let it cook undisturbed for about 30 seconds until the edges begin to set. Then, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, tilting the pan to let the uncooked egg flow underneath. When the top of your omelet is mostly set but still a little wet, it's time for the delicious fillings. Sprinkle your chopped vegetables and lean protein over 1/2 of the omelet. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the fillings to warm up nicely. Then, using a spatula, carefully fold the unfilled half of the omelet over the filled half. This creates that classic, beautiful omelet shape. Your delicious and healthy omelet is ready. Gently slide it from the pan onto a plate. For an extra touch of freshness, you can sprinkle some chopped fresh herbs like chives or parsley on top. This quick and easy meal is packed with protein, making it an excellent choice for a nutritious breakfast or a satisfying post-workout recovery meal. Enjoy your homemade healthy omelet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.